Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science Passing Package Part 6. In 1 marks, the first question is why is 15th of March celebrated as World Consumers Day? Answer: on March 15, 1962, the President John F. Kennedy gave the American consumer four basic rights, so we celebrate 15th March as World Consumer Day. Second question: what is the aim of consumer movement? Answer: to protect consumers from exploitation by the producers and traders. Next question: when did Consumer Protection Act come into force in India? Answer: in 1986, the Consumer Protection Act came into force in India. Next question: who is a consumer? Answer: consumer is a person who buys goods and services. Next question: who appoints the president of District Consumer Forum? Answer: state government appoints the president of the District Consumer Forum. Now moving on to 2 marks question. In 2 marks, the first question is explain the results of Battle of Buxar. Answer: Shah Alam II considered the Diwani rights over Bengal to the British for an annual fee of rupees 26 lakhs. The Nawab of Awadh was fined rupees 50 lakhs for waging war against the company. The British took over the administration of Bengal. The British acquired the provinces of Bihar, Bengal and Odisha. Next question. List out the trading centers of Dutch in India. Surat, Broch, Cambay, Cochin, Nagapattanam, Masulipatanam, Chinsor. Next question. What were the results of Third Anglo-Maratha War? Answer: British suppressed Marathas ruthlessly. Marathas surrendered to the British. British abolished the Peshwa post. British installed Pratapa Simha. Next question. Explain the causes of First Anglo-Maratha War. After the death of Peshwa Madhav Rao I, his brother Narayan Rao came to power. Narayan Rao was murdered by his uncle Raghoba. This resulted in infighting for the Peshwa post. The Maratha Federation brought Madhav Rao II of Narayan Rao to the post of Peshwa. Upset with this, Raghoba approached the British for support. Thus, the First Anglo-Maratha War was fought. Now, moving on to 3 marks question. In 3 marks, the first question is which are the preventive measures to be taken to face cyclones? Answer: pay heed to warnings. People should keep in touch with radio, television and other communication means. Temporary shelter should be provided during cyclones. Cyclone-proof structure should be constructed. Mangrove forest and other deep-rooted trees can be grown along the coastline to check the impact of cyclonic winds and soil erosion. Evacuation of people from low-lying area. Next question. Mention the precautionary measures to be taken to reduce the effects of earthquake. Restricting constructions of multi-storied buildings, restricting construction of large dams, restricting underground mining, restricting urban growth, stop deforestation, stop quarrying activities, build earthquake resistant houses.